How to change email password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Mail and tap on it. You are now in the Mail settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, customize how your mail appears and works and more. Go to Mail Accounts. Here, tap on Add Account in the Account section. Now, choose the account you want to add from here. And then, you can create your email from any of the sites that you want. Following these steps, you can easily change email password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.